I got through my law school without ever touching LexisNexis or Westlaw. I would just put the case into Wikipedia, and if it didn't pop up, it wasn't important, and I wouldn't bother learning it. And these systems are very difficult to use. So I started looking for some cases that I had an interest in. I couldn't find them. I started looking for cases that I'd been in, and I couldn't find them. And I thought, well, this must be just because I'm stupid, so let me look for a big case that has to be there. So I looked for State of Florida versus Casey Anthony, and it wasn't there. So I called over the law librarian and I said, why can't I find this case? And he said, well, it's because it's not important. This is the biggest lawsuit in the country at that time. It's been front page of the newspapers for years. Someone died. How is it not important? He said, well, it was never appealed. So from a legal research point of view, no new precedents were set. Therefore, it's unimportant. So you're trying to tell me that only appealed cases, which is less than 1% of all litigation, are in these systems that cost God knows how many millions of dollars? He said, yes. Okay. What if I want to find this particular case? It's easy, you go to the courthouse. What if I don't know what courthouse it's in? Well, that's easy too. You go to the courthouse, if it's not there, you go to the next courthouse and you look it up there, and then you go to the next one. Okay, how many courthouses are in America? He didn't know, and we're experts at this, and we still don't know. I do know there's 3,124 circuit courts, and they're not connected. So you have to go from one to the other in order to be able to find the case you're looking for. Even the government can't do this. When you see on television and they're looking for a bad guy and they type in his details and it pops up, the only place that happens is television. So when they're asked you where you lived in the last 5 years on a background check, the reason they ask you that is because they don't know.